everybody, it is ZerTT here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own mine menu, because I was looking at other tutorials on here and they did not cover everything that you need to know. So, yeah, this is how to do it. If this does actually make the cut on iStupidMods, then hello! But yeah, I cannot fucking speak. This tutorial is going to show you everything. To making buttons, customizing the menu, customizing the name, building, and downloading Visual Studio and all that juicy stuff. I'm going to try to make this video as short as I can. It's definitely not going to be as short as the other tutorials because this one is more in-depth. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get right into how to do it. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go onto your browser of choice. I'm going to be doing this, and yeah, so let's do that. So, you're just going to search up Visual Studio. And now, you're just going to click on the first link. And now, scroll down until you see like this right here, and then where you see Visual Studio, you're going to hover over Download Visual Studio, and then Community 2022. And then, you're going to submit, okay, and then it'll plop you right into here. Just save this into your downloads, and I already have it, so I'm not going to do it, but for you, just click Save. Alright, once you're done setting up everything, you should be greeted with this page right here. Now, you're going to select some things. If you already select things, it's fine. I'm going to show you how to fix that if you already did. But if you didn't do that and you're actually a good boy and you listen to me, you're just going to click .NET Desktop Development, click on that. Universal Windows Platform Development, click on that. And then finally, Game Development with Unity, click on that, and then click Install while downloading. If you already did something with it, you should be greeted with this. On Visual Studio Community 2022, just click on Modify, and then just click these two, and then this, and then, yeah. Then you got Visual Studio installed, and now we gotta actually do the template. Alright, now go into iStupidMods. I'm assuming that's how you even got or found this tutorial, so I'm not going to show you how to do that, but you're just going to go into Menu Template, Download. Template Release 1.2, you're just going to download the one that says Lost Money in My Bank Account. So yeah, just click on Download. I already have it, and don't worry, it is not a dangerous download. I've downloaded it myself. I would tell you guys if it is a rat or not. So, yeah. I'm going to show you how to do this. Well, I'm already showing you. Fuck, okay, I'm going to show you how to actually open the menu. Alright, so now just open up your files, and then you should have this. You're just going to right click on the little WinZip, and then click Extract Files, and then click OK. I already have it, so I'm not going to do it. But then you're going to click on iStupidTemp or Lost Money in My Bank Account. I just renamed it, so yeah. And then go to Test Plate, and then stupidtemp.csproj. You're going to right click on that, open with, and then Microsoft Visual Studio 2022. This will only take like a few seconds, and I already have it open, so I'm just going to ignore this right here. Alright, now once you're in, you should be greeted with not this page, but something else. So what we're going to do is we're just going to actually set it up. So you're going to go to directory .build.props. And now what you're going to do is this little thing right here. You're going to backspace all that on GamePath, and then your files, and then plugins, Gorilla Tag, and then right here is what you're gonna click on this, and then Control C, and then right here Control V, and that's all we have to do, and that is it for this. so now we're gonna customize. All right, so now we're gonna customize our menu. So yeah. So this right here, we're just gonna customize the name of the file. So this is gonna change the name of the file. So whenever you open it, you don't have to rename it. Let's just do tut menu. Okay, it's not allowing me to rename it, but just rename it to like your name or some shit. I don't know. Why the nice, you didn't put. Okay. I don't even care. Okay, I don't care. Okay, so just name that to whatever you want. It should allow you, and now it's allowing me to. Okay. I don't even know why. Okay. Whatever. This is gonna be the name of your file. So I'm just gonna do tut menu. If it does that, then just ignore it and then just click off of it, and it should have it. There should be a bunch of errors though, which I didn't cover firstly, which I should have done. So yeah, I just forgot about that. But go to dependencies, assemblies, and all these should have like a bunch of little weird little things. So just click on Zero Harmony, scroll all the way down to ZString, hold Shift and then click it, and then okay. Now right click on dependencies, add project reference, browse, and then go to your Gorilla Tech folder, Gorilla Tech data managed, and now you should see AA Mothership. If you don't, just click on this little name thing and then it should show up. Now scroll all the way down, all the way down, and then you should see ZString. You're gonna click on that, scroll all the way up until you see Technique Physics Creator. You're gonna hold Shift and then click it, and then yeah, and then click. Wait, no, I'm pretty sure. Okay, no, click Add, and then that's good. Now click on AA Mothership. Scroll all the way down until you see PlayFab. Hold Shift and then click on it. Now scroll up until you see Net Standard. Hold Control and then click on it. Scroll up more, all the way up until you see Andy. I don't know how to read that. Burst triangular.dll. Hold Control and then click it, and then click Add. And then this is the second to last time we go in here. Go into Gorilla Tag, BepInEx, Core, and then do Control A, and then hold Control, and then Zero Harmony 20.dll. Click on that, and then click Add, and then go back in. This is the last time. Go into Plugins, then go into your Attila, and then click on that, and then click Add. Now click OK. This will take a bit, so just get a snack or something. It's gonna take a little bit. This will stop responding. Don't worry, it's not breaking. It's completely fine. You're fine. It will start responding in a little bit. It just really depends how fast your computer is. Alright, and then it should show up with their reference is invalid or unsupported. Click OK. That's fine, and then click OK again. This will fix all the issues that you had previously. Now we're going to actually customize the menu to make it your own. So you're going to go into the folder, you're going to go into plugininfo.cs. Now you're going to see all of this right here. Where it says GUID.org, you're just going to put your Gorilla Tag name here. So I'm ZertGT, so I'm just going to do ZertGT right there. And then this, just leave that all blank. And right here, this is going to be the name of the menu. So let's do tutorial menu. Because it's tut menu right here, I'm just going to make it tut menu here too. Just basically make it matching, so then you don't forget. Then description. It doesn't really matter what's here. Just make it to something. There just has to be text there. Version, I wouldn't fuck with this. Just leave it the same. And yeah, that's really it. Then you could go ahead and go into menu. You're going to go into settings, and this is how you actually customize your background and basically how everything looks. And alright, so the background color will say that it's rainbow. If you don't want it to be rainbow, just hold on. But let's say I want it to be rainbow, so I'm just going to keep that as true. Now we're going to change like what the button looks like when it's disabled. Let's say I want it to be, let's do blue. And then whenever I click the button to be enabled, it's going to be rainbow. Just leave that as is. And now this is going to be the text colors. I recommend just doing it white or black. But again, it doesn't really matter. And then for all the folks that don't want the background color to be rainbow, you're going to set this as false. And then go into classes folder and then exitgradient.cs. You should have all this. Right in the middle, this is going to be the color of your menu. So let's say I wanted it to be, how about green? And then just make these two the same. So let's say I wanted this to be red. I'm gonna make this red as well. So basically it'll fade from red to green. I know this is here, but it just makes it look better, okay? So it's gonna fade from red to green. So in mods, you're just gonna right click on the folder, hover over add, and then new item. Let's say I wanted to do platforms, add. Now if you know how to code, you obviously know what to do here, but if you don't know how to code, I would recommend learning, but you could also go into the Discord server on IDKs, post code, and then there should be a bunch here. Be careful here because people can rat it with like things that you don't want, such as viruses. So I'm just gonna go into pin messages and use some official code. And then right here, I'm just gonna copy the platforms code just for the sake of this video. And then stupid template, and then we're just gonna paste it in. Now, if these are the same right here, this is gonna show up an error. So these cannot be the same because then it will get it mixed up. So let's just do platforms mod, and boom, it'll be fine. So now we're actually gonna make it visible on the menu. So just delete everything that's here except settings and menu and return to main. Now, right here, we're just gonna go ahead and copy the settings thing, Control C, click enter, V, and then the name is called platforms, and then right here, we're just gonna do it, platforms, and then platforms mod. Now, I'm gonna tell you why we need to put this here, because if you're actually gonna create a menu, you're gonna have to do this a bunch. So basically, this right here, it's telling the code to look in platforms for platforms mod. Now, as you can see, it's in there, so that's how it knows what to do. So, can I go back into it? Okay, guess not. But yeah, now is toggleable. You're gonna make that true, and then this is gonna be the description. Just make it something, basically what the mod does. So I'm just gonna do whatever. So yeah, that should be it. So now just click build solution, and it should build. It should automatically go into your plugins folder each time. So yeah, now just minimize that. Minimize basically everything. I'm just gonna show you that it went in there. No, that's the right thing. As you can see, it's in there. I didn't even put it in there. It just goes in there automatically. So now let's go ahead and hit play, and I'm gonna show you that it did work. So yeah. Alright, I'm now in the game. So on your keyboard, you could actually hold Q to open it, but you're just gonna open it normally if you're on your quest or whatever. But as you can see, it is actually here, and look how good this looks. So as you can see, it is fading from green to red. The settings and whatnot is here. The buttons are all blue. So yeah, it should have your mod right here, and then you could use it. Settings, it should have a menu and return a main menu. It's just gonna have like notifications, FPS counter, disconnect button, and right hand menu, and all that juicy stuff. So yeah, that's how to create your very own mod menu. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you in the very next